Students, we are going to continue with the play Andha Yug by Dharmveer Bharati. We are studying the second act, which is titled Making of a Beast, and it refers to Ashwathama, who is the son of Guru Dronacharya. And after Guru Dronacharya was killed in the war, Ashwathama turns very bitter because Guru Dronacharya was killed in a very unfair manner, and the news of the death of an elephant was pronounced by Yudhishthira, that Ashwathama was dead, and the second line was the man or the beast. But Guru Dronacharya did not listen to that line, and he was shocked, and after that he was killed by Drishtadyumna. So Ashwathama was very bitter about all these things, and he decided to turn himself into a savage, a ruthless beast. So we'll study the lines of Ashwathama. That day, Yudhishthira's half-truth ruthlessly slaughtered all that was good or gentle in me. Honored as Dharmaraj, he added, the man or the beast. Since he could not distinguish between man and beast, I decided to turn myself into a blind, ruthless beast. But even today, I am lost in a dark cave, the blind cave of defeat. Listen, Duryodhana, listen, Dronacharya. I, Ashwathama, your Ashwathama, foul as the spittle, stale as the phlegm, left in the mouth of a dying man. I, Ashwathama, am the only one alive today. Thumbs as he his breast triumphantly. Should I commit suicide, at least I shall be released from this important existence. Even if I were to burn in the fires of hell, I would not have to endure so much torment. So students, in this way we see the painful condition of Ashwathama, that his father was killed in a very deceptive way, and he has a lot of pain and anguish over the fact, and he has turned himself into a beast, not literally but mentality wise, and he thinks that now he'll take revenge from the Pandavas, and he will also be as ruthless and as merciless and as full of deceit as the Pandavas were when they killed his father, the way in which the whole process happened. So he turns very bitter, and he laments the fact that he has been given the boon of immortality, and he just wants to die, he wants to end his life. But then he thinks about the revenge that he has to take against the Pandavas, and that gives him a lot of reason to move on, because he wants to take the revenge of his father. So in this way we see a complete sense of bitterness, helplessness, and hopelessness and blind hatred that is there in the character of Ashwathama. And all these things they confirm the fact, and they strengthen the fact that war is a very negative thing. It was all the parties repented the war. They were all losers, whether they won or they lost or they were alive or they died. They were all losers at the end of the day. And a lot of negativity and was infused in all the characters, and they were sort of out of their mind, and they turned into beasts. That means they became inhuman. So in this way we see that even today, if we look at today's world, there is so much talk about, say, Third World War, but we know that it is a very grim thing, because two world wars that have happened in the world have not benefited it in any way. So war is a very negative thing, and that fact is emphasized by the writer. So we will study in our next class. Thanks.